Welcome to Zeke's channel 007. Today we're going to be reviewing the Adventure Force Remote Control Nano Boat. This costs $13 at Walmart. This has a range of 30 feet and a runtime of 10 minutes. This also has a rechargeable battery and a waterproof controller. The Nano Boat charges from the remote control and claims to be saltwater compatible. Now we're going to be unboxing it and seeing what we get inside. Inside the box we get the Nano Boat, the remote control, and the instructions. This is the remote. The batteries are located in the back and it runs on 3 AAA batteries. The remote also has a charging stick right here to recharge the Nano Boat. The charging indicator on the remote control will flash red slowly when the boat is charging. If the red light flashes faster, it means the batteries in the remote controller need to be replaced. When the boat is fully charged, the light will glow solid green for 10 seconds, then turn off. The charging time is 15 minutes and the run time is 10 minutes. The Nano Boat has a water sensor in the bottom and will only turn on when the boat is in water. This boat can only run on the surface of the water. If it is fully submerged, it could damage the internal parts. Never touch the propeller and always drain all the water out of the boat after use. To drain the boat, bring it to a dry place and turn it upside down, and dry the boat well. For $13, this boat is really cool. It's a little slow and works best in calm waters. Let me know down in the comments if this boat is worth $13. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.